Hi guys, today we start with something a bit different than usual. We're having, well actually it's repeating from last year. We're having an event called Moddoween like last year, if you remember my build Dead by Daylight. This year we're going to do another event just like that, but with a cause. Now this year we're going to do a cancer charity in Australia. So guys, check out the links below if you're feeling, and if you're able to donate, it would go to a special cause that people will actually help others with cancer. Now today I'm going to announce the build. We're having a teamed build as always. This is going to be based on World War Z, the game. Now here are all the components that are going to go inside this case. This is AeroCool Aero 1. This is completely new from AeroCool, and basically, yeah, it's going to be AeroCool. Next to that, definitely something that I didn't personally do ever is the charity. Now, when it comes to the charity and things like that, all the builds that are going to be wrapped up and done and completed, they're going to be auctioned, and the amount of money raised by the sales of each PC are going to go as well to the charity. So there's going to be, let's say, a double charity, but everything will go to the same cause. Now let's go and introduce the components. As I already said, the case is AeroCool Aero 1. We have here the P7 750 watts platinum power supply from AeroCool, fully modular. We have the AeroCool Silent 4. This is the CPU tower cooler. You've seen tests about it. Really nice design, and it cools even better. Now thanks to AMD, we're going to have a really cool processor here. We have the AMD Ryzen 7 3800X. This is something incredible, and this is going to be placed on the ASRock X570 Steel Legend motherboard. Now I don't have to say anything special about the board. You've seen my review, you've seen loads of material with this board, and basically I think it's quite alright for me to place it inside this case. Next to that, we have another support from AMD. This is the PowerColor Radeon RX 590 Red Devil, which is also going to go inside this build. And yeah, I mean, it's a great graphic card. Even though it's a bit older, it's a still good graphic card. Now we have here three Eclipse 12 Pro. These are ARGB fans from AeroCool as well. So basically we have all the main components that concerning the case, cooling and stuff like that from AeroCool. Next to that, I'm going to jump in with my HyperX Fury RGB DDR4 2x8 gigs, 3200 megahertz, and these are extreme. These are actually really new, came out I think 2-3 months ago on the market. And finally we're going to go with the 2.5-inch SSD. This is the Team Group's L5 3D Lite 240 gigabytes. I think for starters this is going to be just okay. If somebody wants to add hard drives or an M.2 SSD or something, he can do it later on. But this is actually for a cause, for something good finally to manage. And this way I would like to thank AeroCool for actually picking me for the event, as well as the other guys, because we have Tech Therapy, we have designs by EFR, and we have a few streamers that are already raising loads of money. So guys, if you're feeling noble, and if you're feeling like you could help, it's not like you must help. If you could help, the link is below. So you can donate as much as you can, and I think people that have cancer will really appreciate it. And well, it's for something good. Finally, it's for something good. Now when it comes to the build, I'm going to do something that is going to be, well, it's going to be something when it comes to color scheme, it's going to be something like Apex Legends. Since we're doing World War Z, it's going to be a completely white build with red accent, and you'll see something here, definitely. I won't say what. And it will have a complete World War Z logo on the back side, so it will have enough accent of the game for you to notice. So basically lovers from the game will actually enjoy having this kind of build inside their setup, and I don't know what to say. All the components, as I mentioned, are right here. We're going to start building, and they're going to be, the build is going to be somewhere, finished somewhere mid-November. After that, we're going to do some extra stuff for you guys to notice the builds and stuff like that, and how to participate in getting your favorite custom build out of all of us. My custom build is going to be limited to Europe because of the shipping costs and shipping not possibilities, but shipping problems to other continents, and of course the customs, because they could be a bit expensive. So guys, yeah, this is all there is to it. I'll put the complete list of the components in the description, and of course I'll put the link for the donation if you're feeling like it, and if you're able to help, it will be really for a good cause. So guys, thank you very much. See you next time in another video. And when the build is done, we're going to, well, you're going to see a time-lapse video of the complete process of building the World War Z build, custom build. Thanks, bye bye.